evening all. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for your very kind birthday wishes. This evening I'm smoking some Kendal Dark Bird's Eye. It's a very nice tobacco, strong. I'd say on a par with a lot of the brown and black twists, Irish black, that type of thing. Not quite as strong as the Kendal Dark Flake. It's very nice though. If I'm not mistaken, it's got Virginia and a touch of Kentucky in it, which seems to give it a little bit of spiciness, which is not too overpowering. It's very nice. It's a good old seafaring tobacco. Allegedly one that was used by fishermen. I'm a fisherman, so I'm going to like it anyway. Of old, when they used to smoke on deck. It's a ready rubbed shag cut. It's actually a very nice tobacco. If you're not used to it, it'll take a few pipe bowls before you get used to it. But it's very nice. Nice blend. Quite enjoying it. Anyway, thanks again for all the good wishes, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.